Welcome to Only Social. In today's video, I will show you how to easily send your customer chat data to Google Sheets, allowing you to enhance your marketing strategies, improve decision-making, and more. Let's get started. First, log into your Only Social account and navigate to the SalesBot tab from the main dashboard. Once you're in SalesBot, head over to the API Channels menu and select Google Sheets. Since Google Sheets is linked to your Gmail account, click on Sign In with Google and choose the Gmail account you'd like to use. Click on Continue to proceed. Ensure you select all options to grant Only Social permission to access your Gmail account, then click Continue. Your Gmail account is now connected, and Google Sheets will be linked to your account automatically. Under your account, you will find Google Sheets with the option to create a new one or use an existing sheet. Simply click Create New Sheet to create a new, fresh sheet. Choose your Gmail account. Give your sheet a unique name and add headers if needed. Once satisfied, click Save. Your newly created Google Sheet will appear in the list, ready for action. You can also edit the sheet before pulling the data from the SalesBot to the sheet. Now, let's create a bot to collect customer data. Click on Bot Manager, select the Facebook page you want to create a bot for, then create a new flow. Configure the start of your bot flow as usual. To save chat data to Google Sheets, you can connect the sheet either from the beginning of the bot flow or at any point where system, custom, or user input variables are used. Don't worry, you will see both cases. For example, if you want to collect data from the beginning of the chat, under Send Data to Google Sheets, select your sheet. Next, use text elements to include the custom variables or system variable, like f.name or l.name, which will be replaced with the user's first or last name when the user interacts with the bot, which will then be sent to Google Sheet. Watch and see how the chat data from your users is being sent to Google Sheets in real time. Let's explore a more advanced scenario. Imagine you own a restaurant that offers home delivery options. You can create a bot that lists your menu, allowing customers to place orders through the bot from your page. Now let's set up the new bot. In this example, we will use system and custom variables for the menu items. Configure the Start Bot flow by including the trigger keyword and title. Next, use the user input flow element. Within this element, you will be able to use both custom and system variables to capture the customer data. First, greet the customers and then ask for their names. After that, present the menu items available at your restaurant. Include suggestions for other items that customers may wish to add to their main order. Request the customers to provide their email, home address, and phone number for delivery purpose. Finally, thank the customer for choosing the bot to place their food order and let them know that their meal will be delivered shortly. You can now connect the Google Sheet at the start of the user input flow element, but you can also connect it just before proceeding. I just wanted to show you that the possibilities are endless. It's now time to test the bot. Your admin can then download the Google Sheet, providing the necessary data to your delivery staff. And there you have it. Sending SalesBot data to Google Sheets is as easy as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights. Thanks for watching, and happy integrating.